Hello mga kahaks! Hanap nyo ba ay food trip while enjoying this beautiful view of the sea or pool bar at night? Well tara, samahan nyo ako dito sa Isla Jardin at alam ko trip nyo to. At sabay-sabay tayong gugutumin dito sa aming ginawang seafoods in a skewer. Yes, that's our family recipe guys. At dahil extra special ang araw ngayon, nag-grill din kami ng steak. Yes! Sino ba namang hindi gugutumin sa niluto namin? Well, here now at Isla Jardin guys, kakarating lang namin at sinadya namin dito na din mag-breakfast, and anywhere we go, we always have this Korean garlic bud with us para hindi magutom while we are preparing this barbecue guys. At eto na nga, ang ganda ng view namin guys. Akalain mo nagba-barbecue kami at ang ganda ng background namin, itong malaking swimming pool na bago dito sa Isla Jardin. And this family recipe guys is really extra special dahil hindi lang yung favorite seafood natin yung andito. It consists of shrimp, belly, tuna belly na malasugi guys, at squid, and of course we mix it up with some veggies na pipino, onion, kamatis at bell pepper, at of course ang paborito ng aking mga kiddos, ang sinugbang mais. Well, sino ba namang hindi matatakam sa aming sinugbang seafoods, and Sophie will take in charge of everything. Yan guys, alam ko nagugutom na din kayo, at ito na nga, prepared na yung aming first batch of foods. At talaga namang hindi mawawala ang aming grilled steak guys. Yan. At sinugbang talong ni Mother, ang sarap diba? At available pala dito yung pangsugba nila guys. I-rent nyo lang for only 150 pesos. Yan, magdala lang kayo ng uling at yung susugbayin nyo guys. Yan talaga naman napakasarap diba? Alam ko naglalaway na kayo dyan. Yan, malapit nang maluto, talagang gutom na kami. And here's our view while waiting. Yan, sino ba namang hindi mabobore dito guys, diba? Ang sarap ng view, ang sarap pa ng niluto. Kaya if you are planning for some barbecue with your friends by the sea, ito yung perfect place para sa getaway nyo guys. Yan, yun nga pala dito sa binili naming steak guys, salt and pepper lang yung nilagay namin at pinahiran namin ng margarine yan guys. At ready na yung almusal namin. Completos ricados, and we also top it with some garlic flakes to make it extra special. At ang sarap guys, aroma pa lang, talaga namang nakakagutom. We have some steak here, Hungarian, and seafood in a skewer at santol. Yan guys, talaga namang perfect na perfect ito pang breakfast buffet. Kaya magandang idea ito for your next trip kung nagbabalak ka magsugba with your friends or family. Yan, make it more extra special with the seafoods in a skewer. And of course, nagdala kami ng cake for Kuya Ashton's and birthday special. So for this day ends guys, ipa-experience mo natin sa kiddos ang dagat. Ma-experience sila ang sunset dito guys. And of course, we